Today, I have this project. It's an old outdoor bench glider. As you guys can see, it's old and weathered. So instead of buying a new one at Walmart, which is cost $155 and $155 to $349, might as well clean this and turn it to a new modern porch glider. Let's get started. My first step here is to remove loosest flaking powder residue from the surface, and I'm going to use sandpaper 80 grit for aggressive passwood removal. You can also use 60 or 100 for all-purpose sanding and 180 for the final finish. And also you can use power tool sanding with hand sanding. Clean with soft cloth to remove dust from the surface. Now I'll be applying wood finish. This is 3-in-1. It penetrates, stain, and seals. It applies easily and penetrates deep into the pores to seal and protect the wood. So remember, a stain is intended to darken or color the wood by adding pigments, but to seal is to protect the wood. Stain is penetrating the wood, wiping the clean cotton cloth until there is no stain wet left. Then allow the chair to dry. Next step is to spray paint, but make sure that it's all dried. It depends to your weather. It takes 4 to 6 hours drying time. Now, I'm using this Rust-Oleum Ultramate. Pick Ultramate Black to match the color to some of the chairs that I already have in the patio. So in this project, I choose the spray paint. This is an outdoor spray paint because I want to cover everything as black. So in this bench, you guys can see that there's a wood and there's a steel. So this spray paint is also for wood and metals. And that way I can save time and money to spray and cover this bench.